Hello everyone, so right now I came to visit the Dakshineshwar Kali temple. This is the entrance gate, and from this gate I am going inside the Dakshineshwar Kali temple, which is located in the heart of Kolkata. So the place which is related with the Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans and the Ma Sarda Devi. So I am going to memorize about them, and I will also meditate here inside the Dakshineshwar Kali temple, which is dedicated to Goddess Kali, who was the younger form of the Goddess Parvati and Durga. So let's see and explore together with me. Thank you so much. So Jai Ma Kali, I am going to inside the temple from this the entrance gate. This is the entrance gate for Dakshineshwar Kali temple where I am going from inside. So let's explore together with me. So it is one of the most beautiful temple in all over the Bengal in our country, which is one of the Shakti Peeth of India in 51. So Dakshineshwar Kali temple, which is also called as a Kali Bari. The temple is situated on the eastern bank of the Hooghly river. That presiding deity of the temple is Bhautarni Kali, a form of the Mahadevi or Parashakti Adya Kali, otherwise known as Adi Shakti Kalika. Visit the Dakshineshwar Kali temple, and I entered, but a camera is not allowed inside the temple, so I am shooting from here in front of the temple. So let's see the view, and Bolo Mahakali Ki Jai. So this is the place which is located in Kolkata city, that is related with the Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarda Devi. So really it's a very great opportunity today which I got here to came, and let's stay together with me and explore together with me. So Bolo Mahakali Ki Jai, Jai Mahakali. So this temple was built in 1855 by Rani Queen Rasmani, a Jamindar, philanthropist and a devotee of Mother Kali. So this temple is known for its association with Ramakrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarda Devi. Ramakrishna Paramhans, who was a spiritual master of the Swami Vivekananda, and Ma Sarda Devi, who was a wife of the Ramakrishna Paramhans, who was a mystic of the 19th century in Bengal at that time. So in this temple there are one main temple of Mother Goddess Kali, 12 Shiva temples and one temple of the Radha Krishna. So the main temple was inspired by the Navratna style Radha Kanta temple in Toliganj, built by the Babu Ramnath Mondal of Bawai Raj family. So it is one of the most beautiful temple and places which is located in Kolkata, which is just opposite of the Belur Math Ramakrishna Mission and Math, which is headquarter located just opposite of the river bank. So to go from Dakshineshwar to Belur to Ramakrishna Mission temple, we have to cross the river through ferry. Ferry is also available from Dakshineshwar to the Belur Math directly. It is also one of the most awesome journey, and we can feel about the river of Hooghly, that is also considered as a Ganges, which is a sacred river in our country. So it is one of the most beautiful, and even Dakshineshwar Kali temple located just close to the Dakshineshwar metro station and Dakshineshwar railway station also available here. And this route is connected by the bridge of Swami Vivekananda bridge, which is connect from Howrah to Bali. So it is one of the most beautiful temple. So let's learn more things about this temple. So the temple compound, apart from the 9-spired main temple, contains a large courtyard surrounding the temple with room along with the boundary walls, and there are 12 shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva, Kali consort, along with the river front, a temple of Radha Krishna and a bathing ghat on the river Hooghly Ganges. So a shrine dedicated to Rani Rasmani also, which is inside the temple. So Nahabat, the chamber in the north corner of just beyond the last of the Shiva temple, is where Rama Krishna and Ma Sarda spent a considerable part of their lives in this temple during your meditation time. So the architecture of this temple, built in the Navratna or 9 spires styles of the Bengal architecture, and the 3-storied south-facing temple has 9 spires. So it's a stand on a high platform with a flight of stairs. Overall, it's measure 40 meters, 46 feet square, and rises over 30 meters high. So the Garbhagriha Sanctum Sanctorium houses an idol of the goddess Mother Kali known as Bhautarni, standing on the chest of a Lord Shiva, and 2 idols are placed on a 1000 idol plated lotus throne made of silver.
So really, and we can see the main screen of the temple which is visible from here. So I got a very good experience in the temple. Really, it's a very awesome temple which is looking very nice. So once again, thank you so much. Jai Ma Kali. So still look at that idol, a statue of the mystic saint here, and this is the shopping side area. Here we can buy some sacred things, worship things, prasadam, laddus, and the another sacred things also. So Jai Ma Kali.